Hi everyone and welcome to another room tour here by the Golden Guys UK. So we're currently in the Courtyard by Marriott at London's Gatwick Airport. We're really impressed so far from what we've seen. We've literally just arrived and we thought we'd do this video for you so you get our immediate reactions. Walking in, it is a nice, bright, spacious... Oh, he's going that way. Nice, bright and spacious lobby area. You got your luggage rack here and there's a massive... Come on, look how big this is. It is a massive mirror. Hiya! So, then we're going to come into the bedroom. Come this way. So it's nice as well, you go from tiles to carpet. So you can leave your luggage there. If your luggage is dirty, you can stay over there where you've got a nice soft carpet underneath your feet. And the first thing I noticed was the ginormous telly. Now we don't know if it's smart enabled or anything yet, but it is massive. And then, a nice big king size bed. Forgot to mention, this is a king size room. So king size bed here, which I haven't tested yet, hang on. Oh, that's really bouncy. That's a very bouncy bed. Which can have loads of space tonight, and there's plenty of plugs at the side of the bed. Johnny's wetting himself right now. So, you got two normal plugs, a USB and a USB-C, all at the side of the bed there. With your raising light, that turns a flat, lovely. I've been having fun with all the light switches. There's so many light switches in this place. I don't know where it all is. You got your air conditioning, your temperature control, all there for you. Carrying on round this way. Got a nice big desk area. Again, it's got English, it's got an American, no, that's a European plug, and a USB charger there as well. Again, a nice big mirror as well. Down the side of this bed, you got the obligatory phone. You've got two normal UK and two USBs, no USB-C on this side. That is different to that, which is a bit weird, I think. What's Johnny pointed to? Oh yes, and then two more plugs down the side there as well. You've also got your Bible and everything. Johnny just keeps pointing. What are you pointing at now? Just the plugs. You've got a nice little seat here. Oh, with a table if you want to relax in the corner. We actually don't know what our view is currently because it is very dark. I can see cars, so I'm guessing it's a car park. You never know, we might have an airport view there. Over in the corner here, you've got a little kettle area. Oh, well that's fun. Sorry, I didn't know that happened. That pulls out, I was about to say, it's a bit dark in here when you're making your tea. Well, that literally pulls, oh that's fun there. And then you got a fridge in the bottom there. You see that? Oh, bang. And then you got a safe down the bottom and some coat hangers, which is nice to have a light in there as well. Shall we go into the bathroom? Come on. This is a very nice bathroom, I must say. Straight away you've got a beautiful oval shaped sink with a tap, and it works. Always good that it works. Got a massive mirror there with some lights. You've also got your shaver ports here as well. There's another mirror here. Virtually the whole of this wall is a mirror. And you got the seat, the toilet. Oh, it's actually alright, this toilet. There's loads of legroom here. And that's that. Then you got the shower. Oh no, this is where we have problems here. Hang on, let me see what this does. It's... Oh no, it's going to be alright. Yeah. Nice big shower there. Thankfully, Johnny's over there, the tap's over here, so I know he can't get me wet. And you've got the shower screen with complimentary shower gel, conditioner and shampoo. All by Nerva Botanical.
Because Scott needs the shampoo.
Oh yeah, I need the shampoo always. And plenty of towels in here. Is that the tap there actually? Oh, that's the tap there. Oh, and you got a bath mat, Johnny's just pointed out to me. There's a bath. If you want to get that so you don't slip over. But it's got non-slip stickies on it already anyway. Yeah, sure, that's the tap there. Oh, fun. Right. Oh. Hello. So that's it from another room tour. We are in room 233 at the Courtyard by Marriott at London Gatwick Hotel. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you hit that like button down there. Hit the subscribe button, it's probably up there somewhere. And hit the bell icon so you get notified of our next videos. Bye. Safe travels, and thank you for being a friend.